How to reset password on BYD application. If you forgot your BYDFi password, open the application and tap Login. Below the login fields, tap Forgot Password, then choose whether you registered with your email or phone number. Enter the correct email or phone number linked into your account and tap Send Code. Check your inbox or SMS for the 6-digit verification code, then enter it to the app. Once verified, you will be asked to create a new password. Make sure it's strong, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Tap Submit and your password will be successfully updated. You can now log in with a new password. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our guide on this channel for full guidance. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to reset your password on BYD application. Bye bye.